Hi, I'm Karla Nielsen with Keller Tampa Properties, and today we're going to talk a little bit about decks. Decks add value to your home. It's something that buyers are looking for. Everyone is interested in having outdoor living spaces, but there's things that you need to know. If you're considering buying a home with a deck, considering adding a deck to your home, there are things you should consider as far as construction and maintenance. And Tom Rinicker is here with 4D Building Solution to tell us a little bit more about decks.
Decks are, as Karla said, really popular things. Now here in our area of Florida, we don't often see very many decks such as this one, which are built quite high up off the ground. But you really need to be aware of some of the important safety features or aspects of these. Some statistics that I recently saw said that between 2000 and 2006, there were 40 deck collapse related deaths in the U.S. And that's at least 40 too many. So some things you just need to keep an eye on. Now in this particular deck, this would be considered a freestanding deck. It's not actually attached to the house. It's freely supported, and often deck failure is associated with where the decks are attached to the house and they're improperly done. Other things, for instance, in this particular deck railing, there are no balusters. This lattice work doesn't count as a barrier. There are specific guidelines. In general, balusters need to have openings that are less than 4 inches between the openings. And then down here at the bottom, any openings down there have to be less than 6 inches. There's a great website that you can go to for information about decks and what needs to be there. It's at www.nadra.org, and it's a really good source of information. But you really need to check your deck periodically for any rot, any deterioration. Make sure that the balusters, railings, you see there's some rot here in this railing, and this needs to be replaced. Okay, railings down the steps, the same. In this case, the railing doesn't go all the way down, and it really should, and there needs to be balusters here. A lot of this is designed, obviously, to protect kids, but also anyone from actually falling through here. So decks are great to have on your house. Just be aware that there's some potential safety issues and inspect them regularly.